Hi everyone.
Hi, my name is Emmy.
Hi, my name is Pisa.
Hi, I'm Matt McGarity. I'm a teaching professor at the University of Washington in the Department of Communication, and I'm also the director for the Center for Speech and Debate. I would say the Center for Speech and Debate is really focused on clarity of argument, good civic engagement in speech and debate. We are able to provide one-on-one coaching to a wide range of people at the University of Washington and in the Seattle region on the very sorts of things that they're most worried about. How to do a speech, how to make an argument.
What motivated me to become a tutor was that it really just combines three of my passions. My passion for education, for writing, and speech. Working in the center has made me a better listener, which has benefited me in my personal life and then of course in my academic life. I really have to retain what students are saying and pay close attention to not only the content, but also their delivery. So simultaneously, I'm looking for those oral cues and those body language cues as well as the content. So I really have to focus in, listen well, and then also listen to what they want out of their session.
I really enjoyed taking COM 220 or public speaking, and so I thought it was a great way to get to help other people, but also grow my skills as a leader and as a public speaker by being able to teach other people and just get more experience with it.
When I first started the class myself, I was a really apprehensive speaker, but after coming to the center myself and meeting all the tutors and getting a lot of help and ultimately being successful in the class, I felt like I really wanted to kind of help students who are taking the class after me and who might experience the same apprehensiveness and nervousness that I did, and kind of uplifting them and helping them through the class as the previous other tutors did for me.
The center is great for delivering immediate feedback as soon as you've finished running through a practice speech. So I really appreciate it for that. The folks here could be really great for helping people perfect their delivery and making sure they're speaking in a way that's clear and easy to follow.
The tutors themselves, who spend time working in the center and develop a sense for speech writing, a sense for argument, a sense for policy, and then go on and take that into the professional realm. So there are a lot of students who have coached in the center that have some really pretty amazing jobs.
Come in and we can work with you one-on-one. I think the center is an awesome way to get tailored tips to your specific speech, your specific assignment, your specific delivery style. So come in, we are so happy to help students and really want to build your confidence as a speechwriter and a speech giver.
Yeah, I'd love for anyone and everyone to come and to a consulting session with me, whether it be to just have a friend to talk to about public speaking, or if you're seeking advice. But yeah, I'm always open to meeting new people and helping in any way I can.
Feel free to book an appointment with me through the front page of the communication website.
If you're working on a speech, that could be an assignment for class, it could be an assignment for anything, it could be a job interview. If you want feedback on a speech, come into the Center for Speech and Debate today. You are going to get great feedback from a highly trained tutor